Hi everyone, Sherry here. Today I'm going to be doing another unboxing. Today's unboxing is from Malacasa and it's a kitchen utensil crock. They sent this to me to unbox and review. So let's get started. Let's see how well this is packaged. We have this box and inside we have some air pillows, and we have another box, and it says Malacasa on it, and we'll open this one up. And it has styrofoam. Looks like it's packaged really well. Oh my goodness. I can't believe it's this big. It'll hold a lot of utensils. I have a lot of utensils that I use frequently for my cooking. And it'd be nice to have all of those ones in one spot, sitting next to my stove. So whenever I need a utensil, whether it's a wooden spoon, a spatula, or whatnot, I can just reach in and grab it and not have to hunt for it. It is very beautiful. It is a marble design in gray, and the color is just gorgeous. It says utensils on it with the company name of Malacasa, and it has a little ridges just for the accent design. It's very, very deep, so it'll even hold your taller utensils. And let's see just how big it is. It's a little over 6 inches wide and 7 inches tall. This is going to be wonderful in my kitchen. This is heavier and more stable than metal or stainless steel. It has an anti-slip design, so it isn't going to slip all over the place on your counter and fall off and break, which is a very good feature because you're in a hurry and you grab your utensil. A lot of times it's going to tip over. I've had that happen many a time. This will stay put, and that I really, really like. This is made with a high glaze ceramic. What does that mean? It means it's easy to clean. It won't stain, it won't retain odors. You can wash it by just wiping it down, wash it by hand with soap and water. And yes, you can put it in the dishwasher. It is dishwasher safe. It is also microwavable and oven safe. This is a very beautiful, handy kitchen utensils crock. It would fit into the decor of most anybody's kitchen. It's a cross between trendy and retro. So if you have a modern kitchen, it'll go, and if you have a old-fashioned kitchen, it will also fit right in. If you don't need a kitchen utensils crock, you can use this for other things. You can use it as a planter. This would look beautiful in your living room or on your kitchen windowsill with a beautiful plant in it. And with the anti-slip design, when you're watering the plant, it would stay put. The other thing that you could use this for is you can make it like an ice bucket. It will hold in, it will retain the coldness and keep the ice colder longer. I just stuck some ice in here and stuck in a bottle of Mike's Hard Lemonade. So you can take this out by the pool or on the patio and sit there and visit with your friends and enjoy a cool one. This is a great idea. It has many functions, but for me, I'll be using it for my kitchen utensils. I'll get my utensils all set up and then I will show you how it looks next to my stove. So here it is next to my stove. It fits right in. It matches my countertop really well. The contrast with the stovetop and my spoon rest looks really, really good together. Anything that I make, whatever utensil that I need, will be within easy grasp. It has a lot of room for many utensils, and I use a lot of them. So let's go back over to the table for my final thoughts. So my final thoughts, I love it. At first I thought it was going to be too big. It's really, really wide. But for me, I use a lot of utensils and I want them within easy reach. This holds all the ones that I use frequently. I could put more in there if I wanted to, but I don't want to overcrowd it. I also like the fact that it stayed in one spot. It didn't just slide around. I'm one to quickly grab, you see that? Quickly grab to take it out. A lot of the other ones that I have had in the past would tip over and they would all spill out. I would have to stop what I was making, pick it all up, and then that would set me back with my cooking a little bit. Plus, it'd make a mess because a lot of times when they knock over, they're not going to just knock over and not hit anything and make it and spill anything. So this, I love the anti-slip design. I love the color. It went well, matched my countertop really well, and the contrast between the black stovetop and this nice, beautiful gray marble was beautiful together. So I definitely recommend this. There will be a link down below where you can go to Amazon and check it out. I'll also put a couple of other links to the company's Facebook page and their Instagram page so you can go and check and see what other items that they may carry. So as a final word, I absolutely love this. Until next time, this is Sherry from Cooking with Sherry.